In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Pluxee card. Using your Pluxee card in 2025 is simple once you understand how it works. Pluxee, formerly known as Sodexo, issues prepaid cards that employers or organizations can load with benefits such as meal allowances, gift credits, wellness perks, or lifestyle vouchers. The card works much like a regular debit or credit card, but it is restricted to certain categories depending on the type of allowance you receive. To start, make sure your Pluxee card is activated. If you haven't already done this, you can activate it through the Pluxee mobile app or right here through web portal by entering your card details and following the verification steps. Once activated, you can check your available balance and transaction history at any time within the app. This is important because different allowances, for example, meals versus leisure activities, may be separated into categories, so you should always know which balance you're spending from. When it comes to using the card, you can pay at partner merchants that accept Pluxee. For meal cards, this typically includes restaurants, supermarkets, and online food delivery platforms. For gift or lifestyle cards, you can shop online or in store at partner retailers. Simply tap or swipe your card at the payment terminal or enter your card details online, just like you would with a normal bank card. In many cases, Pluxee cards also support contactless payments and can be added to mobile wallets such as Apple Pay or Google Wallet for easier use. If you run into a situation where your card doesn't work, it usually means the merchant isn't part of the Pluxee network, or your balance doesn't cover the transaction. Always double check your balance and ensure you are shopping with authorized partners. You can easily find a list of eligible merchants in the Pluxee app. Your Pluxee card also allows for some additional features. For instance, you can set up spending alerts, manage PIN settings, and in some regions, even split payments if your purchase is higher than your available balance. All of this is managed directly through the app, which acts as the central hub for controlling and monitoring your card. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.